Yeah. The congregation, all rise. If them forget up a while ago, what's going on? I keep getting the action now. Yeah. Pastor wants to stop him. Clean. Come in, church. Come on, brothers and sisters. Get up. Clean. And let me get up. Yeah. Peace on my mind. Clean. Hey. Low key there. Oh, me not bad. Me not bad. Oh, I'm lucky. Me not bad. Yeah. Me not bad. Me just a shake. Yeah, watch it. Boy. Come be kind. Wow, that guard star go on the church. What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back with another video for you all. Now I'm back with another Alkaline reaction for the Alkaline fans them. Yo, so previously on the channel, when I reacted to which song? I reacted to After All, then I reacted to some throwback songs. And I see these comments coming in, Alkaline Church folks. So if you would comment it, see ya. Big up on yourself. Thanks to the support as usual, people. And there was 10,000 subscribers for the year. That's the goal for this year. I know we're gonna make it, you know. So please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure we carry 6,000 before. Man, which one to in April? We don't know now because Corona go with a bag of things. Me I tell you, bro, God. Bag of things. Me remember which month. Today what day? Today is Sunday. Me never know say Sunday. I write there for this church folks. Official 2013. Them tell them nice, you know. Run tune though. That's me I say. But I'm gonna forget to over. Hey, can I say over? Me to react like I'm in love with the position. Clean tune.
And now I'll invite Alkaline to pray for us.
Why? R.I.P. dancer, Clean. When is that how I go? So why you prayed babies already? I'm ready to go laugh for real now. Run tune. Brother Alkaline.
Hope the church folks like this.
Wow.
This is Alkaline Dancers Miracle.
Don't you put it all, man. Don't you put the marker, man. And this is what I say. Ladies, look. Oh. Lagan. Tall marker, man. Now I'm tuning. Man, you know like that. Yeah. Pastor, feel the vibes already?
Carbon Records.
Yeah.
D-Weasel, Andre.
Mr. Alkaline, before you start. Well, I say, Mr. Rental, hey, can I must say, Obe, me to rascal. No, why I sing that song in the dog and I church folk. I don't remember that song I go for real now. I don't remember that song I go now. But, Pastor, I feel the vibes already, you know. People in my church, I feel the vibes already, you know. Love the vibes and cut to the video, man. Love the vibes. Like up the video.
My girl, you are mine anytime when you wine your beers.
Clean. Them by now. The choir said so. What? Why did that church wake up? That's how they got church and everybody asleep for real, you know that. They don't say boring, you know. Well, that's boring. I don't know why people sleep at church, you know. Me sleep out right. But watch her go and watch your face. No, man. Him strong E. Watch it. But I go away with the afro. I said, no, man. I can't use strong E. What June? Yeah. Feel the vibe. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, fuck. The man like a string it out. Man like a string it already. I don't know what to expect. Run through now. You remember that song? My girl in my mind. I know what I'm saying. Mind. Couldn't up your body, jig up your body for Alkaline, you man. I hear it though. Yeah. The congregation, all rise. If them forget up a while ago, what's going on? I keep getting the action now. Yeah. Pastor wants to stop him. Clean. Come in, church. Come on, brothers and sisters. Get up. Clean. And let me get up. Yeah. Peace on my mind. Clean. Hey. Low key there. Oh, me not bad. Me not bad. Oh, I'm lucky. Me not bad. Yeah. Me not bad. Me just a shake. Yeah, watch it. Boy. Come be kind. Wow, that guard star go on the church. at church, dugu, buckling, ready
Girl,
to.
you are mine anytime and you
Boy,
want like your girl.
yeah.
Can I be your company and to you be in a
Man, showing say I'll be a go guy at church. That's what I try to show you to the. No, lie me at you. Why me I go answer? Why me I say them things? The video me I say it. The video make me I say it. No, don't follow me. Don't do it. Me I beg you no. Don't do it. At the video. But dad, you know a church girl like the baddest girl them still, you know. I lie me I tell. You know a church girl like the baddest set of girl them. If I lie me I tell, brother. Come and say I lie me I tell. But I ready to. What? Yeah. Oh, very over in the youth. Yo. Lord Gersha. No, boy. No, what face was the pastor man face right now. But my boy, woman I read just lady in red is dancing with me. Very true.
If you look now your tongue, tell me say you love it. If not, just fill you up till you say
Yeah.
we get mad.
Oh, Buckley.
Rewrite it, put coffee in your head.
Song bad. People, if you not your video right now, see you way more to like up my video on the youth. I say, go on, Tyreek. Say, go on. So like you select a word them. Say, go on, Tyreek. Go on, Tyreek.
She want to call me roots up in your body, me a go stitch.
Yeah.
All run up in your pitch. She never did that, we on a shit.
That's if I make the lyrics them as usual. I'm go back. I say, want to take off him boots up in your body, me I go stitch. I said, that the man say a while ago. You want to take off your boots up in your body. Tyrekejt, Alkaline, yo. Alkaline, jump some more song like this, the man. John already do.
She get a penalty.
Yeah. Come on, man.
We church people me now no luck.
Fuck like the man spin the podium. Ooh. That video bad for real. Yo, all I want to tell me for ref to that video. Big up on yourself. Cause honestly, I don't remember them things, you know. I don't know why I'm just like ref to some throwback music for real, dog. So thanks. You see me, I say, so no more to go on, no more to comment some more throwback video. No, I'm react to right here now, dog. You hear me? I already research on
ice cream and drive you up in a truck. Give you chocolate for
yeah, pastor, I feel it now. Pastor, I feel it now, you know. Pastor said, yeah, man, him bad man. He must be the podium of the church. He wake up the church for me. Thank you, brother Alkaline. You woke up the church for me. You see me? You have Sister Shorty over there, so shake her body. You have Sister DHQ Nikisha over there, so go out with a bag of chips. Yes, you're doing perfect now, Mr. Alkaline. Continue.
If you love Lali, me no mind.
Man, start this at the choir. Quit up your one video, Alkaline. I know the choir go on to tone because Mama says, oh, me no bad. And the shit going over there, right now. Yeah. Oh, I think that video him says about man revive himself in a cough. Like, yeah, that one. Remember that video? I kinda remember it and kinda don't remember it at the same time. Ready though? So me mind. Anytime when you wind up behind. Where girl in there? Yo. The resurrection of dancehall. Buckley. Okay. Hey, you see the significant. You see what I'm basically do a while ago? You see what Alkaline do? Look at the start of the video. R.I.P. dancehall. You see what go on and start the video now? Pray this now. And if nobody pick up or go on another video. If anybody react to them music video and people know that the reaction them time. But me just see this. Me just see what go on when just do a while ago, dog. Basically, himself in a cafe when I'm resurrect himself now. So I'm a dancer now. Basically, that's what I say. I'm a real dancer. You see what go on, dog? Hey, I never made a video that we had, dog. To me really start to see those to say a good thing, so I start the reaction right now. Yo, thanks again, brother. Yo, Buckley. Feel me body for Alkaline. Buckley. Yo. Yeah, no, dog. Those I see them things I go on the video, dog. Honestly, dog. Never see it. I never see them something like that, a joke thing. Never see it, brother. Never see it. Run through the door. Hey, Mr. That girl I want to go. Remember she in the... I don't know why. I see her at church. I don't know see her she. But in that video, more belly there on that thing like... Yo, more belly come like a hooker in that dog. Oh, watch out. But I'm not want to see you, brother. You see that? Yeah. I'm Buckley. I say, no, I'm a first video now, Alkaline. I'm a first video. I don't know how to do. I'm a first video. I'm a wine. I'm a do. I'm a first video. No, I don't know. a hook room in the bumbuckly. Run it though.
Tina side for your tummy. Because your belly up a little funny. Me nah no problem if after we done touch me.
Hey, you don't want to mark your blood clot. Nah, no beard. Nah, no locks. You see me I say, nah, no blood clot. I want them big ugly guys I used to wear. Man, wear some big dirty ugly darkers, dog. If you white, you used to wear them something. And them big act with them called fitted and snapback. Hey, we did fool now, generation did fool now. What them sitting about where beat? One take a block, Jamaican, American, Yankee style them. Mad people. Don't you know?
Happy give your money, see some silver you eat honey. Take it and buy something nice, come me love you one me know you
still a good watch out.
Me touching my
Is it wrong? What sister Pauline deal with? From the video start. What am I doing a while ago? From the video start. Me not see nobody in slow motion doing nothing. No. Sister Pauline. No, I don't want to see them in slow motion. Bye. Certain Sister Pauline that go on something a while. Right though.
man me no so picky, we touch her for two man he no so pretty.
Boy.
Me go on like me chang she me so quick. Out a look when me try lift it.
Hey, if them girl could have little more body do Alkaline. Them could have, but you know when they just start out. That's just started now, but you know you're fresh in the music business. You can't afford the dear girl them. You have to get the cheap one them. You know what I say? Yeah. I get a little friend them for doing a video for you. Yeah. Look like a dog, go on. You see me, them could a little more thicker. Run through door.
Hamstring on me foot string it spray and what a pity. Me can angle the capacity.
Yeah. Hey, she don't know what she do that dog. God help her. What buckling? Woman don't know one thing what she do that. Man, I push her over and push her over. She said, ooh, me feel that. Look at her face.
In a city, we just show you the quantity. But my girl, you are mine.
Hey, she don't know what she... It's over that. Hey, you want batty me friend? No, man. Buckling. Now when they want some ass, this is how they know what she do. But to think about it, though, I kind of have the picture here in my mind already, dog. You see me? Not the video, but the vision of what am I going to do in the future. You see me? I say, yo, this is just a stepping stone. I'm going with them, come on, girl. You see me? I say, oh, Buckley, don't you know? Yeah, look at line.
If you love like me, no mind.
You think I'm kind? Watch her face, fix up her face. She want to feel tall, man. Watch her too. Why am coming in here? In a romper? Yeah, mama know them man enough time we take them off. You see me? I say, in a little romper. I can't manage. I will let the video be. We don't want to make a long video and the video soon done. Come in, 30 more seconds. I have to pause on 30 more time. Run it though. I should have tied that Alkaline. Anytime when you whine behind. Push her away. Go on.
Andre.
Yeah. Video done. People, viewers and subscribers, we go for the Bumbuckle Bell self. I want to subscribe to the channel for no new. I want to comment any other Alkaline music video I want to react to. And any other music video I want to react to, just drop it down below in the comment section. You see me, I say, I remember, we want to reach 10,000 subscribers by the year for done. So just subscribe to the channel, my lad. And touch the like button on the video, make everybody get to see it. And see the madness I'm going with it over here. So you see me, I say, big up your Bumbuckle self. Know who you vote for. You see me, I say, you want a road and you want to get with the fat pump them. You see me, I say. I joking. Go subscribe to my other channel. Alright, I'm back again. You have watched and enjoyed the full video, right? Now, what I want you guys to do is touch the head, right here, so the head, the circle, and subscribe to my girlfriend, me and my girlfriend channel, the couple channel, MONII and Tyrekejt. Subscribe, right? So touch the head right there and subscribe. Big up yourself.